Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a side view mirror on a Dodge Ram 1500. First, gather your essential tools, including a socket wrench set, a trim removal tool, and a new replacement mirror. It is crucial to ensure the new mirror is the correct fit for your truck. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before beginning any electrical work on your vehicle. This simple step helps prevent accidental shorts or injuries during the process. Now, let's remove the damaged mirror. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel using your trim removal tool. This reveals the wiring and mounting hardware. Locate and disconnect the electrical connector that supplies power to your old mirror's various functions, such as power adjustment or heating. Next, use your socket wrench to unscrew the 3 mounting nuts that firmly secure the mirror assembly to the door frame. Once these are removed, the old mirror can be gently pulled away. With the old mirror removed, it is time to install your new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door frame, aligning the mounting studs with the holes. Hand tighten the 3 mounting nuts first, then use your socket wrench to secure them firmly, but do not over-tighten. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new mirror, ensuring a snug fit. Before putting the door panel back, test all mirror functions, including power adjustments and turn signals, if applicable. For the final steps, carefully reattach the interior door panel. Ensure all clips and screws are properly aligned and secured, providing a snug fit. Next, reconnect the negative battery terminal you disconnected earlier, restoring power to your truck's electrical system. Perform a comprehensive final check of your newly installed side view mirror. Verify that all power adjustments work smoothly, and any integrated features, like heating or turn signals, are fully operational. You have successfully replaced your Dodge Ram 1500 side mirror.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.